Hello guys, and welcome to the latest update in my house renovation. Sorry it's been such a long time since my last video. Things have been going a little bit slower than I'd like, and I've had lots of other things going on, so I've not had a huge amount of time to do work. So we're here in the master bedroom, and as you can see, I finally plastered all of the walls I needed replastering. I've also managed to paint the ceiling, and I've started to paint the first coat on all of the walls. Also, I've decided that I'm going to end up sanding the floor so that I've got a nice hardwood floor. So eventually I'm going to have to clean all of this up and hopefully it's going to look really good. On the back wall, I've ended up going with a Hague blue kind of colour. It's really dark blue. It may look black in the video, but honestly it is blue. And on the rest of the walls, I've gone with a house white, which is a slightly yellowy, creamy kind of colour. So I've obviously got to neaten this all up, finish off the painting. Then I've got to put in the covings around the top, floorboards around the bottom, finish wiring up the plugs next either side of the bed, and do the floor. Once all of that's done, I can start moving in the bed. I'm going to put in some fabric blinds above the window, and then hopefully I'll have one whole room finished, which I'm really looking forward to. Moving on through into the office, we've made a reasonable amount of progress in here. I've stripped all the walls, stripped all the polystyrene off the roof. Unfortunately, the polystyrene tiles were glued directly onto the plasterboard on the ceiling. This means that all the glue blobs, as you can see, these little brown dots cover the whole of the ceiling. This means that I'm going to have to replaster the ceiling. I'm going to have a go at that. I found that plastering is really hard work. So if it doesn't look that good, what I might end up doing is just putting in a very slight drop ceiling with polystyrene. This room is going to become the office, so having a polystyrene ceiling may actually help absorb some more of the sound for when I'm doing future videos. The next thing I need to do in here is obviously plaster the ceiling, plaster above the window and over the air vent. Once that is done, it'll be prepping the walls for painting. And also in the corner here where we've got the top of the stairs, I'm going to put in some interesting storage solution. So I'm going to cover this up with some probably MDF board to make it nice and neat, and then I'm going to have inbuilt shelves probably coming up to about here, and then on top of there I'm going to probably end up having like a printer or maybe possibly the computer or other things, and probably other storage solutions. So thank you for watching this update to my house renovation. Hopefully I'm going to be giving out some more updates once I finish the master bedroom next door. Also, I'm going to do some videos on replastering the roof in this room and getting this room nice and finished before it's going to be painted. And finally, I'm going to be building the storage units, and it'll be interesting to see what we can come up with for that storage solution. The next room is going to be the second bedroom. Again, it's about the same size as the master bedroom, and it's going to be a complete renovation. Hopefully I won't have to do as much plastering as I did in the master bedroom, because that took a lot of time. So if you like this video, make sure to give it a like, it really helps me out, and subscribe to see the next episode in this house renovation.